Guys, the water is cold, but it's nice. It's so refreshing, honestly. You need to come to Tenerife, guys. Come to Tenerife because, wow. Let me show you how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. This beautiful sunset. There is this beautiful sunset, and oh, goodness me. It is so beautiful. This is literally the perfect way to end this trip. Because, excuse me, wow. It is so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm about to cry, literally. This is so beautiful. Good morning, guys. So it is my third and last day here in Tenerife, and it is currently 7:30. So I'm going for breakfast. They have put on the Christmas decorations. How cute! They have it here and also upstairs. But now we are going for breakfast. So let's go. Oh, it looks so good. It's still a bit dark. I thought that the sunshine will be already up, like the sun will be already up by this time, but it is still very dark outside, but it's fine. So this is the pier where we have breakfast. Oh, they have decorations. Okay, so let's see where we're going to eat today. So today I came quite early and I'm about to dig into the breakfast. We are going on the healthy style, on the healthy side of breakfast. So I have some avocados, tomatoes, some cheese, I have some pancake, mushroom, eggs, and some spring rolls. I have my fruits here, different fruits, kiwi, pineapple, clementine, or tangerine, melon, and red orange. Then I have some porridge here, and I have my grapefruit juice. So cheers, guys. The food is just so good, like honestly, I don't know how to explain this. Finally step outside. That is my hotel, Mediterranean Palace, and we are going to Playa del Camisón. We are going to the beach. So this is amazing. We have the palm trees. Amazing. We have the Tay there, as you can see there. Right, so I was talking about the Sir Anthony, which is another hotel with the Cleopatra and with the Mediterranean hotel. So here it is. They are all connected. Sir Anthony, that one is also beautiful, honestly. And then here they have the palapa. I'll come and eat here later. So yeah guys, this is just the mile that you need to walk. You come to the Playa de Camison and there are all the hotels. Hi. No, I'm all right, thank you. There are all the hotels around. So the Mediterranean, the Cleopatra, then Sir Andrew or Sir Anthony. I'm always confusing this name, but yeah. So if you book these 3 hotels, you have direct access to the Playa del Camison, which is nice. And then there is this other hotel here that I don't know the name, but it is also looking good. So yeah. Guys, let's go and test the sand. Let's see how it is. Oh my god guys, the water is so cold. The water is freezing. The water is so cold. Oh my days. I'm going to find somewhere to sit down and chill because this is crazy. The water is too cold. Wow. Crazy. Finally made it to the beach. I've got my spot sitting here and just facing the water, and it's not too hot, so it's very nice. And yeah, I'm just going to chill and then later on just go back. Oh yeah, I need to go to the Palapa. Palapa is down there, and I'm going to eat something just before I go to the airport. So The weather is amazing. It's not too hot, so it's great. Oh, I love it. Guys, the water is cold, but it's nice. It's so refreshing, honestly. You need to come to Tenerife, guys. Come to Tenerife because, wow. Look at, let me show you how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. So guys, all this area, so I'm in front of the Playa del Camisón, and all this walking down from here up to there, all of it is Paseo Francisco Andrade Fumero. Let me show you. So it says Paseo Francisco Andrade Fumero. Then at the back of me is another paseo. It is Calle Las Pirámides. Calle Las Pirámides. So on your right you have San Paseo Francisco, and on the other side you have Calle Las Pirámides. So that's it. So you have the shopping center. So I have walked from Playa del Camisón, and I have reached Playa de las Americas and Playa de la Honda, or Playa Honda. And you may notice that the sand, the color of the sand has changed. So yes, here we have black sand and it is more rocky. So we have people who are practicing or learning surf down there. And I think I prefer Playa del Camisón because there was sand. The sand was golden color, and it was nice. There were no many rocks, so it was really cool. But here, it's very rocky and it's quite painful to walk. It's quite painful to walk, so I'm not staying here. I just wanted to see the difference. So as you can see, it's very rocky and it's painful to walk in. But yeah, people are learning to surf down there. You can see the mountain, which is crazy. Obviously, the color of the sand is because of the volcano, which is in this area. As you can see at my back, we have the mountains. We have the Teide, which is not active at the moment, but it is a volcano and it can erupt at any time, right? So this is the reason why some of the sand, or most of the sand in Tenerife, are black, because of the volcano. So yeah, guys, I'll walk back to where I came from. I want to go for lunch before I head back to the airport. So I'm just enjoying the few bits or the few hours that I have left here in Tenerife. So we have the people surfing on this area, because I think you get the best waves in this area. That's why there are a lot of surfers. Behind me is the very famous touristy point. People come here to take their pictures, and it is also the perfect spot to watch the sunset, because look at the view in front of me. That is the view in front of me. So imagine coming here during sunset time. You see the sunset from this place, and you can see there are some benches over there and people are sat there. If you come here during sunset time, amazing. Also sunrise, perfect spot, and you get a first seat to see everything. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going back to the hotel, and then I'll go for lunch. I'll go for late lunch because it's already 2 o'clock. I'll go for lunch at the Palapa because I have a discount, because I'm staying at the Mediterranean Palace, and they work together with the Palapa, or they own it or something like that. So I have a discount there, so I'm going to eat there, and it's also close to the beach, so I'll get to see the sunset until about 5 o'clock. So yes, it has been amazing so far. Honestly, I couldn't ask for more. This is all I wanted, to be at the beach with no worries, just enjoying the wind, the sun, and the waves, and the sound of the waves. So yeah, amazing time, amazing birthday spent here in Tenerife. So see you guys later. Hey guys, so I am back. I have about 2 hours left before I check out. I have quickly showered, freshened up, and I'm now going to the Playa Beach Club to have lunch/dinner. So come with me. I'm excited. Oh, I don't want to leave this Tenerife. I don't want to leave Tenerife, but hey, you have to do what you have to do, right? So come with me, guys. The sun is sunning. It's nice. I have just got into Palapa Beach Club and I've ordered for pasta because yes, I've ordered for pasta and some bread and then a drink, a soft drink. I think it's orange juice and it looks amazing, honestly. I have the view of the beach. Thank you. So it looks amazing, guys. And they just brought my juice. Very good. This looks good, but I don't think it is original like Italian. Yeah, because when the Italian people make the food, you can tell. But let's try this. Palapa. So I just finished my lunch/dinner and there is this beautiful sunset. There is this beautiful sunset, and oh, goodness me. It is so beautiful. This is literally the perfect way to end this trip. Because, excuse me, wow. It is so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm about to cry, literally. This is so beautiful. I've had an amazing time here. It is currently 4:27, 28, 4:28, and I need to check out at 5 p.m. But the hotel is just down the road, so I'll chill a bit here. I'll stay maybe 10 minutes more, and then I'll head towards the hotel to pack my last items, and then we'll go to the airport. I'm so glad I came to this place. I'm so glad I came to Tenerife. If you needed a reason to come to Tenerife, this is your reason. Or if you needed something to tell you to come to Tenerife, this is the something that you needed. This video, this vlog. So guys, I think I'll end the vlog here because I just want to sit here and enjoy the view, enjoy the sunset, take everything in, you know, before I leave. So guys, it has been amazing. Thank you so much for being with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment also. And yeah, Tenerife 2024, amazing. My birthday was great and I had an amazing time here. So yeah guys, I'll leave you with the sunset because what? So beautiful. So it is time to check out. I'm really going to miss this hotel so much. Bye Mediterranean Palace. You treated me so good and I really hope I get back to this place one day. See you guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Guys, can't believe it's time to go.